In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a subdomain like shop.yourdomain.com to your Shopify store. This process is a great way to expand and organize your online presence, so let's dive right into it. Firstly, let's briefly cover what a subdomain actually is. A subdomain is essentially a prefix that you add to your main or root domain. So, if your primary domain is yourdomain.com, you might create a subdomain like shop.yourdomain.com or store.yourdomain.com. This can be particularly useful if you want to host your Shopify store separately while using your main domain for other purposes. Now, if your domain is managed by Shopify, meaning you either purchased it through Shopify or transferred it to Shopify, the process of adding a subdomain is quite straightforward. Let me guide you through it step by step. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the Settings section, and from the list of options, select Domains. This is where you'll manage all domain-related tasks in your Shopify store. Within the Domains page, look for your root domain, which is your main website domain. Once you spot it, you're going to look for an option that says Add Subdomain or something similar. This is the area where you'll configure your new subdomain. When you're ready to create your subdomain, think about the prefix you want to use. It could be something like shop, store, or even a region-specific prefix like U. Once you've decided, enter your chosen prefix into the designated field. It's important to note that this prefix will appear before your main domain, forming the new subdomain. So, if you choose shop, your resulting subdomain will be shop.yourdomain.com. After you've inputted the desired prefix, simply hit the Save button. Shopify will take care of the technical details for you. Specifically, it will automatically generate the necessary DNS records, known as CNAME records, that link your subdomain to your Shopify store. This will ensure that all traffic directed to your new subdomain is correctly routed to your store without any extra effort on your part. Additionally, Shopify will provision SSL for your subdomain, providing secure and encrypted connections for users who visit it. This is an essential step, assuring your customers of a secure shopping experience, which is crucial for building trust and credibility. And there you have it. You've successfully added a subdomain to your Shopify store, expanding your business's online footprint. With these steps completed, you can now utilize your new subdomain as you see fit, creating a specialized space for your Shopify store while keeping your main domain available for other uses. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Shopify or digital management. Thanks for watching and happy selling.